Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You'll begin by verifying prerequisites so changes take effect. Make sure Windows is updated and you've restarted after recent installs. This avoids service conflicts. Once done, sign in with an administrator account and confirm network access so policy checks succeed. Next, open Settings, navigate to Update and Security, then Windows Security to trigger the service. This initial sequence clears transient issues and prepares the system for deeper fixes, because many display problems stem from missing updates, wrong permissions, or blocked service startup. Now you'll address the complex middle steps: services, policies, and registry entries. First, open Services and ensure Security Center and Microsoft Defender Antivirus service are set to automatic and running. That restores visibility. Then run PowerShell commands to check Defender settings and launch a quick scan, which reinitializes components. Make sure Group Policy or Registry doesn't have Disable Anti-Spyware or conflicting tamper protection flags. Those block the UI. If corporate policies exist, coordinate with IT because enforced settings can override local fixes. Finish by repairing and finalizing the fix so Defender shows reliably. Use settings to repair or reset the Microsoft Defender UI, and run sfc/scano plus dism to replace corrupted files. These commands restore resources the UI needs. Once completed, restart and verify the security app appears. If it's still hidden, create a restore point and consider reinstalling optional security features or escalating to IT. A key troubleshooting tip: when things fail, check for third-party antivirus remnants that often suppress Defender. Uninstall fully and reboot.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.